Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for Firecrackers industry. So here let's assume that I have a Firecrackers business. So to promote the same, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I can use this amazing integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to add Firecrackers business leads to Google Sheets. So as this festive season is approaching, so here let's say that I'm promoting my Firecrackers business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead is received, I want that the details of this new lead should be added in my Google Sheets in a new row. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, which can be done by using Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign in, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I am signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as Facebook leads to Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now I'm going to click on create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Firecrackers business leads to Google Sheets. So here I'm getting the leads through Facebook lead ads. So here in this trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. So now moving to the trigger event, that will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event. Now I'm going to select my action application and the action event. So here the action application will be Google Sheets because I want to add the details of the new leads over here in Google Sheets, and here it is. And the action event will be add new row. So here I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event. So now here I want that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead should be added in Google Sheets. So now to do this, firstly, I have to establish a connection between my Facebook lead ads account and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to connect with Facebook lead ads. So now here I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So here in one of my tabs, I have already logged into my Facebook account. So here I'm going to click on connect. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see the connection established between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So moving to page and lead gen form. So firstly, I need to select the page and then the lead gen form that is associated with it. So now I will take you to my Facebook page. So this here is the page of my Firecrackers business, that is by the name of Galaxy Fireworks. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select my page as Galaxy Firecrackers, and here it is. Now moving to the lead gen form. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that this is the form which I have created for my page. So this is how the form looks like. So here the form name is Galaxy Fireworks. So now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the lead gen form as Galaxy Fireworks. So that means now I've selected my page and the lead gen form associated with it. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response, which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded over here in this webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for developers. Here it is. I will go to the page. Now here in Meta for developers, I will go to my apps. And here in my apps, I will go to tools. And in tools, I will scroll down and I will go to lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So here from page, I'm going to select my page, that is Galaxy Fireworks. And now here from this drop down, I'm going to select my form. I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form and I have added the details as well. Here I've added the email, full name and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on next and I will submit. So here it says, thanks, you're all set, and now I'm going to close this. Your test lead has been sent. That means this test lead details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. Now I will take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in the response, you can see that I have received the details of the test lead which I've just created. Here is the email, here is the name, here is the phone number, created time along with some other details. So that means the details of the test lead is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So now moving further, as I have received the details over here of the Facebook lead, now I want to add the details in my Google Sheets. So to do that, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now I will click on add new connection. So to add a new connection, I will just sign in with my Google account. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And you can see the authorization was successful. So here the connection has been established. So this here is the Google Sheet which I have created where I want to add the details of my new Facebook leads. So it consists of 3 columns. First is of lead email, second is of lead name, third is of phone number. And it only consists of one sheet and the name is Facebook leads new. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to refresh the fields. Now here from the select spreadsheet, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook leads new. And here you can see that only one sheet was there in my Google Sheet. So it is already selected over here. Moving to these details of lead email, lead name and the phone number. So here from the response received, I'm going to map these details. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. I'm going to map the email and I've mapped it. Now I will map the lead name. Here's the name and I've mapped it. Moving to the phone number. Again from the response received, I'm going to map it. So here I've mapped the details. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration into these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here you can see that I have received a response and it is a positive response. Now I will take you to the Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the details of the test lead which I have created is successfully added over here. Here is the email, here is the lead name and here is the phone number. That means the details of the lead that was captured through Facebook lead ads is successfully added over here in this Google Sheet. So this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added to Google Sheets.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.